I'm Dr. Ransdell, and I write a murder mystery series about a mariachi player. Mariachi Meddler, in fact. Why would I write about a mariachi player? Well, it's really fun. I've done a lot of mariachi work myself, but the thing is, when you play La Bamba for the 5th time that night, you don't care about it. And so instead, you start watching the crowd, and that becomes very interesting. So what happens in the book is that poor Andy notices that his boss's wife is being very friendly to someone who isn't the boss, and Andy already knows this could be a problem. Then when a murder happens, he doesn't know what to think. Maybe she's innocent, maybe she's involved, but at any rate, this could affect his mariachi band that plays at the restaurant. So he gets very worried and he has to get involved even though he doesn't want to. Now, he does have a couple of things going for him, and one is that he has a very sweet brother who tries to help him, and Joey looks a lot like Andy, so if they try hard enough, they can pass for one another. While Joey's pretending to be Andy, Andy's out investigating, trying to figure out exactly what Yolanda was up to and what he needs to do to protect his own livelihood.